Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. As usual, I'm just gonna jump right into it, showing you guys how my eyebrows are looking like without no product and closed lockdown beauty salons. Don't judge me. I'm using my KIKO makeup remover on my eyebrows, making sure that my eyebrows are completely clean before applying any type of product, in this case my African black soap. Now it's recommended to use transparent or glycerin soap, but I don't have that at the moment and it's locked down, so I'm using what I have. Okay, so you want to make sure that your soap bar is completely kind of wet, and you want to go for a thick paste. So let that soak in, and moving on to my spoolies. I'm going to use, I think, 3 types of spoolies. This is the first one. I think almost every woman has it at home, I hope. But anyways, I also have my 2 other spoolies from KIKO. One is a little bit thinner and the one is a little bit thicker. And at the end of these spoolies, it has a fill-in pencil. This is basically the paste I'm working with, not too runny, and make sure you take off the excess soap by pushing your spoolie a little bit in, and it kind of looks like this up close. Now, I first like to go through with it like in my eyebrows and then brush my hair up. Definitely feel free to rub your spoolie into the bar soap when you need more soap. I'm now rubbing my thinner spoolie in the soap bar to go through my hair upwards, especially for those stubborn hairs. So if you have a thinner spoolie or any type of spoolie, just use it upwards for those stubborn hair, And then afterwards, going in with the clean spoolie, just to brush through my hair to get those excess soap pieces out, Alright, so my eyebrows are kind of looking like Vegeta or Goku from Dragon Ball Z, kind of looking really crazy, and I'm not going for that look, okay? So now I'm going to go in and lock that shape in place by brushing it into a direction that you prefer. Your spoolie must contain a little bit of soap, of course. Okay, so next is filling your gaps with your eyebrow pencil or eyebrow powder, whatever you have at the moment and whatever you prefer. So it kind of looks like this, but I'm not really satisfied with the shape as well, but I like to highlight it a little bit, so I'm gonna go in with my concealer and highlight my eyebrow a little bit, but you can definitely skip this part if you don't want to do it. Alright, so for the last step, I'm going to use my KIKO, bear with me, multitasking spray. This is optional. You don't have to use it if you don't want to. And that's about it. Yes, this is how my eyebrows are looking like with just soap. It's crazy, right? And a little bit fill-in with my brow pencil, of course. But that's it, you guys. I hope you guys liked it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit that like button. And I hope to see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.